Hey everyone, welcome to Griffin's Paradise. This is our first YouTube video ever, so please be gentle in the comments and everything. But we've been seeing a lot of things that, halfway to Halloween and it's coming up. And the wife and I, we do decorations for Halloween and for Christmas. And we wanted to share one of our new things this year. And it's a tombstone that has some eyes coming in it and everything. So let's get to it and show you it and see what you guys think about it. Stone with some creepy eyes, look like they're coming at you. I think the wife did a really good job at it. So this whole thing is made out of the 2-inch styrofoam you can get at Lowe's for insulating your walls, and that I believe it's $30 a sheet, but it's thick. It gives you a lot to anchor down for wind. And it's durable. So that's what we decided to do. The eyes are actually just an old computer monitor that we have, and it's powered up, and it's got Google Chromecast, just casting a video from SFX that we bought for the eerie eyes. Of course, we're going to paint that so it'll be gray and blend in. Probably not, with our setup, if it rains, we're not going to leave it outside without putting a back or anything to cover the electronics. So this will probably be something that we will turn on the day of or put out the day of. But like I said, this is our first YouTube video. Please give us any comments, advice. Over time, we'll hopefully get a better camera and go from there. But we would love to hear your thoughts on this, what we could do to improve. Maybe you guys have done something like this yourself. We'd love to see it. We're brand new to the YouTube community here, so please give us a good welcome, and any advice or tips that you have, we appreciate it. Thanks guys, until the next video, see you soon.